take a couple minutes and talk about some frequently asked questions. How can you lose weight by eating fat? There are two fuel sources that we can use, carbs or fat. The ketogenic diet is based on converting ourselves from a sugar burner to a fat burner by limiting our carb intake to a point where our body switches to a fat burner. I'm tired. What's going on? If you have recently started your keto diet, it is likely that you are in a transition phase. It's common to feel tired when you start your diet. It might be because you're eating too little food or not getting enough sodium. As you progress on the keto diet, this symptom will pass. In fact, you'll have more energy. I feel sick. This is commonly referred to as keto flu. This is a short-term symptom that will pass. Typically, this is a sign that you need to replenish your electrolytes. Make sure you're getting plenty of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. I'm not losing weight. Common problems are 1. You're not eating enough. 2. You could be eating too much protein and not enough fat. Or 3. You're not reading the food labels and you're consuming more sugar or carbs. Watch out for carb creep. It's easy to do if you don't measure. How many carbs can I eat? Starting the diet, you should keep your carbs at 20 to 30 total carbs. Once you reach your goal weight, you can increase your carbs to test your tolerance with the ketone meter. Can I use net carbs? Net carbs are simply total carbs minus the fiber grams on a food label. This is based on the assumption that fibers, carbs, and alcohol sweeteners do not raise insulin levels and therefore shouldn't be counted. I started out using net carbs but wasn't very successful until I started keeping my total carbs below 30 grams. What about alcohol? Technically, some alcohol does not have carbohydrates. However, when you drink alcohol, your fat burning machine actually stops and tries to clean the alcohol out of your system. Drinking alcohol while on keto is counterproductive.